Hey everyone, I'm doing another quick review of the Black & Decker ReadyWrench. There it is. It's usually 30 bucks. I got it for $8.99, $8.98. And it has a standard measurement and millimeter. It comes from 5/8 all the way to 3/4 or 8 millimeter all the way to 19. Has a lifetime warranty. And so try me. And let me open. And let me see. It's good for household, regular maintenance tasks, common do-it-yourself repairs, and advanced automotive jobs. It comes with a registration form. That's it. No manuals. Like that, not like you need it, but anyway, it can rotate. This is a millimeter size, metric. This is metric, and this is standard. So the way you use it, you get to the right size and just torque it. Let me get a bicycle. Okay, here's a bicycle right here. Let's see. Not too small. Too small. Not 1/2. So now try the metric. There you go. Maybe too big. That's not 14, you're gonna try 16. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, it's loose now. Okay, that's a short demo. And it's heavy too, so which is good, you know. I like my wrench heavy. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.